The 20,000-strong Ukrainians, the 47th and 116th Mechanized Brigades in the northern sector, the 110th Mechanized Brigade at Avdeevka, the 1st Tank Brigade supporting them, and various small units in support, were much lighter. If the loss of tanks and combat vehicles is any indication, the Russian 2nd and 41st Combined Armies, which initially and together had about 40,000 troops, had by early December lost 13,000 men killed and wounded while attacking Avdiivka. Fortunately for the Ukrainian side, drone operators spotted Russian infantry emerging from a ditch they apparently used to sneak into Zarska Okhota.